Glam Fam, so today we are going to be a very chill, laid-back makeup tutorial. This is going to be a one brand makeup tutorial. I got myself some Colourpop makeup. Ooh, girl. Okay. We are going to be going in with this makeup and we're going to be doing a full, sorry about that. We're going to be doing a full face and I'm going to let you know what I think about it. There is a couple products that I didn't get, but I will be sure to include a very affordable makeup in replacement since Colourpop is known for being such an affordable brand. Really quick, if you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button down there. It will help me out so much. And let's jump into this tutorial. The first product we're going to be going in with is the Colourpop All-Star Matte Blur Primer. It smells nice. Very faint smell. It is very smooth, and just so you guys know, my face gets this red doing any kind of makeup, so don't think it's because of the cosmetics that I'm using. It is just a way of life for my skin. Then we're going to be going in with my beauty blender and then a foundation. This is the Colourpop No Filter foundation. This is what it looks like. This may be a tad bit too light for me, so I do have a darker color to mix in a little bit onto our face. There, that's perfect. I mixed the two together to create a little bit darker shade from the first shade that we were going to use. We got some nice coverage. And it's blending out pretty easily. Alright, this by no means is a super high coverage foundation, but let's see if we can layer it. I'm going to do another half a pump of each foundation. Mix it on my finger and then go in again. That's actually really nice, guys. Alright, so the next product that we're going to be going in with is their concealer. This is their Colourpop concealer, and this is No Filter. I'm taking this and placing it where it's pretty light. Placing it where we normally would put our concealer. Hopefully this blends out. Ooh. We're gonna also put it onto our lids. And right away, guys, you get a lot of product with one dunk. Like, that was one dunk and I got a lot of product. So we are going, it did both of my eyes and primed both of my eyes, which is amazing. So we're gonna go in with our damp beauty blender and just blend this out. Okay, I'm not sure why the camera is making me look so white here. It's really not that bad in real life. It's a little weird, actually. This is the Colourpop No Filter Translucent Powder. I'm going to put some into the cap and set underneath our eyes and on top of our eyes, actually. Alrighty, everything is set on our face. We are gonna move on eyebrows. I did get a eyebrow pencil. This is the Colourpop Precision Brow Pencil. This is in the color Cool Cocoa. It's very little and very precise, which I think I'm going to like a lot. So we are just gonna go in and start to do our brows with small little tiny motions, kind of mimicking brow hairs. That's really nice, actually. We have it filled in. We're going to use the other side, which is a little spoolie, and just work that product in so that it's not so easy to tell exactly where you put the product and where you didn't. We went with a more full look today, and then we're gonna move on to eyes. I got the Dream Street Kathleen Lights Colourpop palette. Looks like this. We're going to just do a wash of color, and we are going to be going in with this first color right here, and we are going to put this into our crease. Guys, I mean, I don't know if this is coming off as beautiful as it is in real life, but look how amazing that's blending. The thing is I don't even get this good of a blend with shadows that are 3 times, 4 times even, the price of this shadow. Are going to run this color underneath our eyes as well. Sorry about my bags, guys. I didn't get much sleep last night. A lot is going on in my life. Once we have that blended out, we are going to go in with Potion, which is this super pretty warm color, and we are going to put that into our crease as well. And this is just going to warm up this eye look, because that's what I wanted to go for today. Because I have a liquid lipstick that will go perfectly with a warm eye look. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and partially cut my crease. And I'm going to be going in with the same Colourpop concealer that we used earlier. We're just going to take a little bit of that product and put it onto our brush. Make sure our brush is really flat. I'm going to start in the inner corner and just follow it up. What I like to do is when I get all this, I like to look up just to see where my cut crease should go, and just follow that line. Just like that. Alright, and then I just like to take my finger and blend out the rest of that edge so that it's not so cut crease, if that makes sense, because we're going to put a darker color in there. So then once that is cut, we are gonna go in with another color. The color that we're gonna be going in with is Sweet Dreams, this light shimmer shade. And we're going to take that on a flat brush and just pack that beautiful, beautiful shimmer shade onto our lid. And this is just to get a base down, guys. I will actually go in with my finger once we get everything pretty much covered so that we can get the most pigmentation out of this shade. It is beautiful. It's not even picking up how beautiful it is on the camera. We can really get the pigment onto our eyelid with our fingers. Just like that. It does have a tiny bit of fallout, but that is okay. We can just brush that off. Just like that. I'm gonna cut the other crease and I'll be right back. We're gonna go in with Elfish, this really pretty dark purple brown. And we are going to place that into the outer portion of our eye look, just on the outer edges. And then I'm just going to blend it in over that cut crease line just a tad. And we're just going to blend that into the cut crease color as well. So we have a nice little ombre going on. And it is creating, I don't know if you guys can see that, but a lot of fallout underneath, which kind of scares me because, well, you know, it's dark. A flat brush and get some of that Elfish and just run it along that cut crease line. Just a smidge. Just like that. I'm gonna do the other eye and I will be right back. Alright. Got some bad news. It did rub off some of the coverage right here when I dusted away that product. But that's okay because we can always just go back in and just re-powder that section or foundation, that section with whatever is left on your beauty blender. Now we are just going to take that darker color that we've been using, the Elfish, and just smoke out that bottom third on the outer portion of your eye. And so I don't have an eyeliner from Colourpop, but I do have a really nice affordable eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Looks like this. I'm gonna go in and do my liner. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and I will be right back. Lashes on. All right, lashes on. This looks so nice. All right, so I don't have a bronzer or a contour from Colourpop, but I do have collabs. I do have Sun Obsession Sculpting Bronzer from Collab, and this is in the color Intoxicating. So next is blush, and I'm going to be using this blush by Colourpop. This is called the Super Shock Cheek in Cheerio. I am just going to take the tiniest amount of this because it is so pigmented. Like so pigmented. That was just me pressing once. Just a tiny bit. And then I'm just going to blush. So the last part of the face is we're gonna be going in with Colourpop's Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. I am so excited for this, guys. So so, look at that. Look at that. Look at that blind. Look, oh my god. All right, so I'm just going to take this. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Look at that, guys. All right, we're just gonna take that and place that onto our cheekbones. Oh my god. Guys, that's blinding. That is very well may be the most pigmented highlighter I have ever seen. It looks like I'm wet and I freaking love it. Be ready. Oh my good God Lord. Oh my sweet Jenkins. Oh. Just put it on the tip of my nose. Oh my Lord. Just gonna put a tiny bit onto my forehead. I can't stop. Someone help me. Someone help me. I can't stop. We are gonna be going in with Colourpop's Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. Looks like this. And this is in the color Growing Pains. I will say that the foundation is starting to kind of crack around my mouth, which is normal because I have a lot of fine lines around there. Actually a lot of foundations do crack around my mouth. I just wanted to let you guys know, just in case you have the same problem as me. Then we're gonna go in with this ultra glossy lip. Ooh. Ooh, Colourpop! Oh my god. Oh. More. More! Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to see more Colourpop makeup tutorials. And if you guys like this series, like the one brand, you know, of makeup, as long as I have, like, you know, almost everything. I mean, it'd be really hard to have everything in one brand, but yeah. All right, so that is it for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and maybe a share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It is that big red button, it's free, and if you click that and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my uploads. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also at Beautybyjosiek, and I do most of my talking with y'all over on those platforms, and I hope you will go visit me over there as well. And that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. I love y'all.